Samples of audiobooks by Barbara Heller. Playing various characters in But Like Maybe Don't by Arianna Margulis.
Remember being a kid and thinking,
he kissed me, so we're going to get married.
or as you got a little older,
I'm going to meet my husband in that frat house. Mom, I totally just met the man I'm going to marry. I'll get my pearls cleaned. Oh, he's my common-law boyfriend. We've been hooking up for 6 months now. I don't mean to brag, but I'm so good at witty text banter. Do you ever look up at the sky and wonder if they're thinking about you, too?
Penguin Random House, actor version. This is Barbara Heller. This is CNN.